Hi and welcome to E-ZTutoring. Today we're going to cover how to perform operations on matrices. In this case, we're going to do addition and multiplication. So in order to multiply a number that is in front of the matrix, you can just pretend that these are parentheses right here. Whenever you have a number in front of parentheses, what do you do with that number? Just distribute it, right? Well, we're going to do the same exact thing with these numbers. So if we have a 5 times the whole matrix, then you need to distribute the 5 to every single term inside that matrix. And we're going to do the same thing with the 4. You want to distribute it to every single term inside that matrix. So, once again, the reason for that is because it is multiplication. Something times a matrix, you have to distribute it to everything. Now, let's see what our new equation becomes, or expression, I should say. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times -3, -12. 4 times 6, 24. This right here is our new matrix after we've multiplied 4 into it. Our next matrix, 5 times -6, -30. 5 times -4, -20. 5 times 3, 15. And 5 times 0, 0. That's our new matrix after multiplying 5 into it. Now, all we need to do is simply add two matrices. So in order to add two matrices, you need to make sure that the dimensions are the same. See that this one is 2 rows by 2 columns, so therefore this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This one also 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix. So now that we've verified that the two matrices are the same dimensions, then we know that we can easily add them. Well, I shouldn't say easily, I should say that we are allowed to add them. So now that we know that we are allowed to add them, all you do is you add the corresponding terms or corresponding elements. What I mean by that is first row, first column is 8. First row, first column is -30. So you just want to do 8 plus -30. What does that give you? -22. And we put that in the first row, first column of our new 2 by 2 matrix. The dimension is going to stay the same as these. And then what we do is we look at our first row, second column, 28. First row, second column, -20. 28 plus -20 is 8. So we put an 8 in that same exact spot. First row, second column. Now, this row, first row, second column stuff I'm doing, you don't need to do that. In the future, when you're doing this, you could just say -12 is in the same spot as 15, and just go ahead and add those together. -12 plus 15 is 3, and then the last one, 24 plus 0 is 24. So this right here is your new matrix. That is what you get when you perform those operations. Hope this made sense. Hope you guys understand how to work with matrices now. If you guys ever want ACT or SAT help, be sure to visit my website, www.e-ztutoring.com. Thank you guys and have a good day.